Welcome back to See My Review. Today we have something really special, an unboxing of the legendary Jordan 4 Retro Black Cat. This is one of the most sought-after sneakers out there, and I can't wait to dive into all the details. Plus, I've got an exclusive deal for you. There's a sale happening right now on these shoes, and I'll tell you exactly where you can get them. Stick around for all the details, and don't forget, the purchase link, social media accounts, and contact info are all in the video description. Let's get straight into it. First off, just look at this sleek box. Simple, classic, and just like you'd expect from a premium Jordan release. Now, as a collector or someone who just loves great sneakers, this pair is a must-have. Let's talk about why these sneakers are so hyped. First, the Jordan 4 Black Cat is one of the most versatile shoes ever made. You can rock them with casual streetwear, a sporty outfit, or if you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for high-quality footwear and trendy apparel, OBOsee.com is a must-visit destination. This online store has built a reputation for offering a wide range of stylish sneakers, from classic must-haves to the latest releases. Whether you're into iconic brands or exclusive designs, OBOsee ensures you get premium quality products without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of this website is its affordable pricing. You don't have to break the bank to rock the freshest kicks. Plus, they prioritize authenticity so you can shop with confidence, knowing that every pair is crafted with top-tier materials and attention to detail. Shopping at OBOsee.com is a hassle-free experience thanks to their secure payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are safe and smooth. Their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to unbox your new favorites, making it perfect for sneakerheads eager to get their hands on the latest drops. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their excellent customer service is always ready to assist, providing a seamless and satisfying shopping journey. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone who loves staying ahead of fashion trends, OBOsee.com delivers on quality, affordability, and reliability. If you're looking for a go-to place for sneakers and fashion essentials, the padding inside makes them great for all-day wear. And don't forget, the durable rubber outsole ensures longevity, so they won't wear out anytime soon. The classic air cushioning technology gives you that extra bounce and comfort, whether you're on the court or just walking around. Simply put, this is a sneaker that combines style, comfort, and durability all in one. Now the important part, how can you get your hands on these? If you want to grab the Jordan 4 Black Cat at an amazing deal, you have to check out the website linked in the description. They are running a special sale right now, and this is your chance to own this legendary pair for a great price. Just hit the link, check the available sizes, and place your order. It's that simple. And if you have any questions, don't worry. Their contact number and social media handles are also in the description, so you can reach out for support anytime there you have it. An in-depth look at the Jordan 4 Retro Black Cat. This sneaker is an absolute must-have, and if you're thinking about getting a pair, don't wait too long because these are selling fast. Make sure to check out the purchase link in the description, along with all the social media pages and contact info. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another review.